Assalamualaikum. Dear brothers and sisters, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, I want to talk about a journey of a lifetime, Hajj. Hajj is not just a trip, it's a spiritual journey. It's a chance to reconnect with Allah, with ourselves, and with our fellow human beings. When we embark on this sacred journey, we leave behind our worldly worries and desires. We shed our ego and our pride, and we become one with the millions of pilgrims from around the world. We become one in our purpose, one in our devotion, and one in our love for Allah. Hajj is a reminder that we are all equal in the eyes of Allah. We are all sinners, and we all need forgiveness. We are all travelers on this journey of life, and we all need guidance and mercy. When we perform the rituals of Hajj, we are not just following a tradition, we are reliving the faith and devotion of our beloved Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him. We are rekindling our own faith and devotion, and we are rediscovering our connection with Allah. Hajj is a journey of self-discovery, of self-reflection, and of self-improvement. It's a chance to renew our commitment to Allah, to our faith, and to our fellow human beings. So, let us cherish this blessed journey. Let us embrace the beauty and the spirit of Hajj. Let us return from this journey with a heart full of love, a soul full of peace, and a life full of purpose. May we all be blessed with the opportunity to perform Hajj, and may our journey be a means of bringing us closer to Allah and to each other. Ameen.